Sure. Our last one. What are your guys' goals next year?
Oh, dude, definitely trying to step it up in real estate. Hopefully, she'll get her book launched beginning of next year, and then start doing some more real estate stuff with me again. We kind of want to bring that back together because we just like when we do appointments together, we just kill it. So really, just trying to grow that. Obviously, like trying to get the wholesale up in to the level where we want it to be at, so we can start buying run properties. That's kind of our biggest thing. Getting cash flow. Maybe take a flip down if it's a home run deal. Like we're always looking at doing a flip if it makes sense. But really, like our goal this year was to take down like 10 rental properties, and it was kind of a crazy year. I was supposed to quit and go full time real estate beginning of the year. We're just now getting to that, but we feel good about where we're at right now, and we really like are pretty confident within this next year we're going to be taking down a lot more rentals, killing it in the wholesale game, and then her launching her book, growing the podcast. She's got a course that she's going to be launching along with that for entrepreneurial parents and stuff like that. So really just like making the most out of being self-employed. Obviously like it's all about, I hate the word balance, but like we want to do things for ourselves as well, spend more time with the kids, travel if 2021 allows it. And there's a lot that we got, planned. Big vision for sure.